tries Wild Berri. Intro. Take one.
Okay, so I've been given the assignment to make a drink with wild berry. I'm gonna take a drink that we've already done before, a Vodkarita, but I'm actually gonna show you how to make a group serve. No shaking, no shakers. You can do this at home, and all you need is a blender. You've seen AJ do this before. You're gonna see me do it again. This is the Absolut Wild Berri Vodkarita. I'm Rico. This is Absolut Drinks with Rico. Let's get into it. This is the Wild Berri Vodkarita group serve. Now, some of you guys may not have any cocktail equipment at home, but let's say you've got a few friends coming around. Let's say you've got 4 or 5. How do you do it? Very simply, very quick. You just use a blender. 1 second. So, super simple. One thing that I always say is mixing of sugar and citrus is like the salt and pepper, and the art of balancing a drink has long been forgotten, in my opinion. This is the perfect drink to prove to your friends that you can balance a drink. So let's get into it, and I'm going to show you how to make, very simply, the Vodkarita in a blender. So, always start with your cheapest ingredient first, and what we want to do is have 25 mils of lime juice per drink. Next up, we want to take our sugar syrup, and we want to put in 20 mils per drink. If you don't know how to make sugar syrup, go back and check our syrup videos, or just watch the channel. We're always making some syrup somewhere in one of our videos. Next up, 15 mils of Orange Curaçao per drink. We're making more than one drink here. Absolut Wild Berri. So that's 45 per drink. You could even switch out the wild berry, add tequila, now you're making margaritas. Wild berry being purple, I want to add a little bit of color to this, so I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 blackberries per drink, no more, no less. We don't need to add any extra flavor from the blackberries because Absolut Wild Berri is packed full of multiple berry flavors. But now we've got to blend it. There's a science to this because when you shake a cocktail, you get to dilute it, and that's what we're gonna do today, but in a blender and not make a slush. So we want to add 2 ice cubes per drink, and this should just make a beautifully diluted and shaken up cocktail. Stick it on high. That's all we have to do, no more, no less. See that deep color there? That's what we're looking for. Beautiful blackberries. I'm gonna serve it up in this nice jug and strain it out. Okay, I need the seal. I'll go get it.
We're losing time here.
Right there, right under the table.
Found it, got it. Sorry guys, I'm wearing white and this is blackberries. And then when your guests come around, you can take your glass. Let's make some nice little rimmed glasses. You know how much I love a lime wheel. It brings back some pure 80s vibes. And there you have it guys, the Wild Berri Vodkarita group serve. Damn, almost got it.
Wait. You're looking quite clean.
Do your turn. First time world. Almost came out clean.
Frank the Tank.
I think the salt made everything. That was the top. Ooh.
It's because Frank's salty if you didn't realize, yeah guys, and we love him for it.
This is way much better than a margarita.
It's an opinion. At the back, can you turn on the music, please? Thank you, Olivia. Nice. Let's recap what we just did today. We made the Absolut Wild Berri Vodkarita. We showed you a technique to make group serves in a blender, no shaker, super quick. Like, comment.
Subscribe.
I'm Rico.
I'm AJ.
I'm Elyse.
And I'm Frank.
And this has been Absolut Drinks with Frank.
Mic drop.